Questions 1 through 10 on the 2006 Grade 7 Gauss Math Contest. The value of 8 times 4 plus 3, 8 times 4 plus 3. Let's do the brackets first, and that will be 32, then plus 3, and that will be 35. So number 1, the answer is D. In the diagram, ABC is a straight line. The value of x is. The angles about a line equal 180 when you add them up. So that basically means that x plus 40 is equal to 180. And therefore x is going to be 180 minus 40, which is 140. So number 2, the answer is B. Mikhail has $10,000 in $50 bills. How many $50 bills does he have? So 10,000, you will divide by 50, and the answer to that is 200, and therefore he has 200 $50 bills. So number 3, the answer is B. What is the perimeter of the figure shown? These little symbols mean that those sides are all the same length, and they've given you that one of those sides is equal to 2. So therefore all of those sides are equal to 2. Now how many of those sides do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. So my total perimeter will be 8 times 2, which is 16. And therefore number 4, the answer is A. The value of 2 over 5 plus 1 over 3, get a common denominator, top and bottom by 5 on that side, top and bottom by 3 on that side. That'll give me 6 plus 5 over 15, and that is equal to 11 over 15. So number 5, the answer is C. The value of 6 times 100,000 plus 8 times 1,000 plus 6 times 100 plus 7 times 1 is. So 6 times 100,000 plus 8 times 1,000 plus 6 times 100 and 7 times 1. So 6 times 100,000 is 600,000. 8 times 1,000 is 8,000. 6 times 100 is 600, and then 7. So add this up, we got 6, 0, 8, 6, 0, 7. And in these kinds of questions, the only advice I have is when you select the answer choices, just take a few seconds and not circle the wrong one, because you might have a tendency to just circle that and move on because the numbers are so similar. But just take 2-3 seconds and match this up appropriately. And in this question, of course, it's C. 3 plus 5x is equal to 28. So 5x is equal to 25, and therefore x is equal to 25 over 5, which is equal to 5. So number 7, the answer is C. The value of 9 squared minus the square root of 9 is, well, 9 squared is 81. Square root of 9 is 3. 81 minus 3 is 78. So number 8, the answer is E. There are 2 red, 5 yellow, and 4 blue balls in a bag. If a ball is chosen at random from the bag without looking, the probability of choosing a yellow ball is. Well, in any probability question, usually it's a fraction, and the denominator is the total. So in this case, the total number of balls, 2 red, 5 yellow, plus 4 blue. The numerator is going to be what the specific condition is, and in our case, choosing a yellow ball. Well, there's 5 of them, and therefore that is the probability. 5 over, and the bottom is going to add up to 11. So number 9, the answer is B. A small block is placed along a 10 centimeter ruler. Which of the following is closest to the length of the block? So they just want you to look at this ruler and match it up. And it looks like if you were to look at this ruler from here to here, it's obviously just slightly more than 2 centimeters. And of all the answer choices, the only one that comes close to that is C for number 10.